Hi. Woo, woo. Bet you didn't expect to see that. One of my viewers sent me this awesome, creepy baby mask that I haven't quite figured out just what to do with yet. So I'm experimenting. And then another one of my viewers sent me this awesome little crop top that says, "Lick 'em, nutty treats." That's me. And then another one of my viewers sent me these butt crack leggings from Amazon. I guess they're a thing on TikTok. Girls wear them and do all kind of booty pictures and stuff. I'm not really sure I'm a fan. It's like wearing a thong times 1,000, and well, if you've ever struggled with hemorrhoids, well, you probably wouldn't want to wear a pair of these things. Anyway, you might notice that I look exceptionally well put together right now, and well, that the lighting is very flattering. And well, let me just tell you why that is. Take a peek behind the curtain. I'm doing these photos. I set up a backdrop here and a light blasting right into my face. So you can see what a nice difference that makes. Oh, let me see. Like right here. What about over here? Oh, definitely not over here. Look at that. You can see every wrinkle. Lighting is everything. But it is kind of a pain to set all this stuff up. Just to take a few photos. But hey, these pics came out great, and I think they'll be worth it. Anyway, I gotta clean up all this studio mess because, well, I'm actually in the middle of a couple of I'm in the middle of like 3 huge projects right now. Well, I had 2 weeks at home in between adventures. Much needed time to finally learn how, my number one priority in these 2 weeks is to learn how to use this friggin' Windows PC that I bought, back in September. I've had this thing for 6 months. I used to use a MacBook Air. This was my trusty little Apple laptop that I've used to edit all my videos up until this point. But I decided, the MacBook started to have some issues. And rather than spend like, $2-3 grand for a new Apple, I thought, let me get a Windows laptop. So I got a Dell XP17 gaming laptop with a really good graphics card. And I splurged and paid for a year's worth of Adobe Premiere, Photoshop, Illustrator, all the Adobe products, so that I could learn how to use that to edit my videos and, well, maybe up my game a little bit. Anyway, I spent the last 2 days fooling around with Adobe Premiere, and I did successfully manage to edit and post a short video yesterday about going to get a COVID test, which, by the way, I already got my results back, and it was negative. So I think I might just have a regular old-fashioned flu, or, oh gosh, I hate to think, but it might be hantavirus, because I did spend the night in a cabin about a week ago with a bunch of other girls, and that video's coming on Wednesday. We all went shooting and drinking, and well, we had a real good time, but the cabin did have rat poo in it, and I did sweep the floor, which you're not supposed to do without wearing a mask. So fingers crossed I don't have hantavirus. I'm not really sick anymore. I felt kind of run down yesterday and the day before, but hey, I'm feeling fine now. And then, as mentioned, I'm in the middle of a couple other projects too. Well, aside from these booty pics, I'm also having my front yard landscaped. The guys are out there right now to give you guys a peek. Oh yeah, they're out there right now digging everything up and putting in new plants and new trees. And oh, there's my guy right there. I feel kind of creepy spying on him, but I did just tell him today that I'm a YouTuber, so well, what do you expect? Anyway, I gotta clean up all this studio equipment and move on to the next project. Do another practice edit using my big girl editing software. And so that's why I'm shooting this footage right now is, well, nothing's going on, but I just need something to practice with. So I thought, let me do the photo shoot. I'm gonna pack up all my studio gear right now, and then I'm gonna go check my mail. I haven't checked my P.O. box in a week. I'm gonna go see if I have anything waiting for me there. And then when I get home, I'll show you guys what I got, and, well, then I'll edit the video. Okay, got everything put away. Now I'm gonna go check my mail, but I thought of one other thing I wanted to tell you guys, and it's kind of gross, but okay, so I used to work out pretty religiously at the gym, lifting weights and whatnot, especially when I was working as a model, because, well, I was a nude model, so it's not like I could even wear clothes to hide any imperfections. I had to keep everything high and tight. well, I retired from modeling a couple years ago, and I kept going to the gym because I'm still vain. You know, I still want to look good. But I always hated working out, man. I hate running. I hate weightlifting. Oh, I hated all of it. So when the gyms closed down because of COVID last year, it was like the best day of my life. Oh, can't go to the gym. Darn it. Well, that was a year ago, and I never did go back to the gym at all, ever. And, well, I don't know. I haven't put on any weight. I've just tried to be mindful about what I eat and whatnot. But one really gross side effect was when I went to put on this outfit to take these pictures. Well, I went in to put on my gym shoes, my tennies, to go with these workout pants. And I hadn't worn my tennies in over a year because I only wear them to go work out at the gym. And there was a giant dead cockroach inside my right tennis shoe. Bah! I mean, I keep a tidy house. You can see for yourself, like everything in its place. You know, I got a lot of stuff, but it's all tidy. And I keep my kitchen clean. I don't keep like, you know, food crumbs laying around. I'm very square and bourgeois when it comes to my house. And I have a guy come spray for bugs every couple months. But despite all that, every now and then, I guess just because it is what it is, I'll find a big old gnarly dead cockroach. And this one happened to be in my shoe. Lesson learned. I guess it's like camping. You know, when you're camping, you leave your boots outside the tent. We always shake them out before you put them on in case there's like a scorpion in them. I didn't think I'd have to resort to such safety measures in my own home, but I guess I do. Okay, let me just grab my bag. I have this one bag I always bring with me when I go to pick up my mail because sometimes there's a lot of packages, and so, well, I need a big old bag to carry them all out. Watch, I'm going to go there and there's only going to be like one package. Hey, that's okay. I'm not greedy. I just appreciate anytime anyone sends me anything, and I know it's not going to last, so I'm just going to enjoy it while I can. Okay. Let's go check my mail real quick. It's only a few minutes down the road. Gosh, it was a pretty good haul. I have to go back in for a second load. Woo! Wow, what a haul! I'm excited to go home and see what I got. Okay, the main thing I need to practice editing in this new software is audio. I'm gonna go ahead and yak a little bit more while I'm driving home, just so I can practice getting my audio levels right. That mailbox place is really cool. I've been using it for a couple years now. Postal and Shipping Services by Max. And Max is the cutest little old man. He is just sweet as can be. He didn't seem to be in too good of a mood just now, unfortunately. But normally he's super friendly, and I'm sure he wonders what I do to get so many packages. I just told him I was popular. And it's interesting, he wasn't super friendly today. Normally I go in there looking all scruffy, no makeup or anything, and now I'm all dolled up with my hair did and my butt crack yoga pants on, like a real YouTuber. I would have expected him to be even friendlier to me. But I guess it just goes to show that, well, I don't know, I was always of the impression that the better you look, the better you feel about yourself, the more confident you feel, and so the better people are going to treat you because they're going to pick up on that. But honestly, I found that not always to be the case. To be honest, like some of the video, I know from my own videos, most of the time I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm all scraggly looking, zits all over the place. And some of those videos are the ones that get the most views. So, I know there's another YouTuber who kind of does the same thing I do, but she always has, she's known for always wearing really tight yoga pants and little crop tops, and her hair is always perfectly done, and her makeup. And so I've wondered, maybe I should be taking more care with my appearance, and because she has, I think, more subscribers than me now. She came up out of nowhere, and I guess it's all because of them yoga pants. I don't think I could wear these pants every day. They're already aggravating my butt crack too much, and I'm going to change into something more comfortable when I get home. But just to finish my thought about YouTubers and yoga pants, I don't know if it makes that big of a difference. You tell me. Tell me what you think in the comments. Whew. All right, changed into something a little more comfortable. And now it's time to open up all these packages. Wow. Like my new hat. I say this all the time, but I just got some of the coolest gifts I've ever got. This hat is one of them. I don't know who sent it because there was no note in the box, but I don't know. Tell me, what do you think? Be honest. Is it flattering? I think it is. I really like it. I just like the turquoise detail. And, well, you know, I needed a new straw summer weight cowgirl hat because it's really a faux pas to wear a felt cowboy hat in the summertime. Speaking of hats, I also got this other one here. Really nice black straw Stetson hat. I didn't have a note in the box either. And you might be wondering why it's on this, well, why it's on this creepy styrofoam mannequin head. Well, I put 4 hats on it to try to make the head bigger so I could stretch out this hat. Because unfortunately, this one is just a little bit too small for my head. I mean, I don't know, it's a size small. I'm usually a size small, but I figure I steamed it. You know, I boiled a kettle of water and steamed it, and then I put it on this creepy mannequin head with all the knit caps I had to try to stretch it out. I don't think it worked. So if anybody watching this has any tips on how to make a hat like this bigger, let me know, because I really like this hat a lot. And I'm just afraid if I wear it out like this, it'll blow off real easy. Anyway, let me show you some of the other stuff I got. Fred, you are not amused. Wait, maybe you are amused. Wait, gotta back off. No means no, Fred. Aw, Gloria just gave him a bath. He's very clean and fuzzy. Well, guess what? Fred got a gift because look what this is. A big, cozy dog bed. That's for you, Freddie. That's your new bed. How about that? I mean, there's nothing wrong with that dog bed, but Gloria keeps one in her room too. And the one in her room is pretty beat up, so Fred's got a brand new bed, and I got a bunch of really cool stuff. Really cool book of poetry. This guy sent me a book about the Death Valley 49ers. He really wants me to make a video about them, and it's a fascinating story. It's a bunch of pioneers in a wagon train that went through Death Valley in 1849, and they're actually the ones who named it Death Valley. A bunch of them died. Fascinating story. And yes, I do plan on making a video about it when I get a chance. So thank you for the book. And then also there's a bunch of informational materials to go with it. Oh, I got a plumber's wrench, which is important because my bathtub has been messed up for years now. Like the diverter, you know, you pull that thing up to make it do a shower instead of a bathtub. It's been stuck up in the shower position, which is fine because normally I just take a shower. I'm in a hurry. But, you know, every now and then you do want to take a bath. And what happened is it's all calcified from this minerals in the water here. It's really hard water. So I've been spraying CLR into the faucet multiple times a day, but I don't think it's going to dissolve all that. So what I need to do is I need to take the friggin' faucet off and replace it. And so that's on my to-do list. I mean, I suppose I could just shell out $300 and have a plumber come do it, but I don't know, man. It's not the Wonderhussy way. So thank you for that wrench. Same person also got Fred his dog bed and me these vitamins. Oh, check this out. This is neat. This, I've never seen anything like this. It's a portable, collapsible, reusable drinking straw. Look at that. Ta-da! Now I can drink all the margaritas I want and don't have to worry about any poor little sea turtles getting a plastic straw jammed up its nose. Okay, and this I love. Really cozy sweatshirt with like the softest fleece on the inside. And look what it says. On the open road, gypsy gangster. I love it, man. I like the color too. This is, oh, I'm going to have to take this shirt off and put this on because this is too cozy to be ignored. Okay, now I want to show you something that, well, these people sent me 2 things and words fail. Okay, so the first thing in the package that I noticed, and this is absolutely freaking amazing. This woman made me a quilt. Look at this. This is, I can't imagine how much time this took. She put my name, and then she even got photos of all these different things from all these different videos I've done. Like, there's me climbing up the ladder at Arizona Hot Spring. Look, there's me climbing up that air raid beacon tower. Look at this. Oh, look, from Josie Pearl's cabin. Wow, man, this is amazing. So much effort went into this. And then there's a map of the state of Nevada in the middle, like all the different places that I've been to in my videos. And, oh man, see, what's really cool about it is, you know, you might think, oh, some nice little old lady made me this quilt and, you know, nice little old lady easily offended. No, this woman has a sense of humor because she put a still photo from one of my armpit shaving videos on the quilt. And what's more, I didn't even see this at first because I was so blown away by the quilt, but also in the box was, this cracks me up. A Barbie doll that they customized with armpit hair. Look at that. And I don't know how they found such a nice flat-chested Barbie doll, but it does bear a resemblance, if I do say so myself. Wow, what an amazing gift. Oh, you know what? There was a hat on the Barbie. It fell off. Hold on. They even gave her a little hat like mine that says Wonderhussy. How friggin' cool is that? Somebody took the time to glue armpit hair on a Barbie doll for me and make this amazing quilt. I mean, boy, I just noticed there's another little, oh my gosh, there's a little pouch in it. Uh-oh. I wonder what's in there. Should I open it live on camera? I don't like to do these live unboxing things because it's like, gosh, you never know what's in there. But what is, oh my goodness, what is in here? Oh my god, it's stuff for the Barbie. Shut up. It's an extra pair of tennies for the Barbie. Hopefully there's not a cockroach in one of them. And then, oh my god, a little shirt. Oh my god, shut up, dude. I used to play with Barbie dolls all the time when I was little. I kind of have a little skirt. Oh my god, I'm gonna have way too much fun dressing this little Barbie doll up in her little, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. One thing I noticed there isn't in here is a little miniature Barbie-sized razor. And I appreciate that. Okay, anyway, I got plenty of test footage here for my editing practice, so I'm gonna wind this video down, but oh my gosh, I gotta say a big ol' thanks to everybody who sent me stuff today. A big ol' thanks to anybody who didn't even send me stuff and is just watching this video. I appreciate that. The people who sent me these things that I don't know who to thank. Both of these hats. Oh, I also got a cell phone case and some protective glass. This didn't have a gift receipt in it either, so whoever sent me this, thank you. Everybody else, I will be sending you my thanks shortly, so stay tuned for that. Hey man, that's about it. Well, boy howdy, I better get to work editing this video.